Y'all see here, this the roof I took it out of. Took it from the pillars. Cut them out. On the cutlass now. Alright, y'all. Back at Radical Robs, you feel me? We got the 73 Cutty. About to remix the brains on it, you know what I mean? Went from the 2006 Camero to the 06 G6 panoramic roof though. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna show y'all when it's in. Walk you through the process. Alright, y'all. We back at it like a crack addict. We done cut the roof off that we already had put in out of a 2014 Camero. And now we about to slap in the G6 panoramic. Stay tuned. So here you see we got the roof cut back out. We about to get the DA sander, sanding back down, grinding back down, get them ready to prep for that panoramic. There goes the old sunroof. That's the old sunroof skin. Alright, so now we got the roof cut out, recut out, got the tracing for the new panoramic roof, got the skin right there. So now we about to cut this bad boy and put this panoramic roof in. Stay tuned, fellas and ladies. Alright, y'all. We got this big old hole in the roof now for the panoramic. It's looking scary. It's looking good. Sheesh. What's going on next? Well, folks, as you can see, it's done. He in there. But we just gotta tag weld him all down. Once we tag weld him all down, it'll be all nice and good. But he in there. He in there. I mean, it says all need to be welded. Once we weld it, we'll be in there like swimwear. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Give you a sample real quick. It's a little sample. Do y'all see me though? Do y'all see me? That's that panoramic G6 and the 73 Cutty though. Do you hear me though? Is it the first in the world? The first in the world though? In there like swimwear.
Hella flush too.
Y'all know what it is. We back at it like what? A crack addict. Radical Robs. We got the Bondo on, sand it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna continue with the sanding. It's a little process. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna show y'all though. He coming. 73 Cutty. 73 Cutty. S500, you know what I'm saying? Little Honda. But look. Got the fresh carpet for him with the Gucci guts though. They a little dirty. I'm coming. There go the headliner. So we got the sanding of the fiberglass down. There's a couple little holes, but we about to fill that with the cat litter hair. You know what I mean? He there though. He there though. About to slap some kitty hair on it, fiberglass it, Bondo, and we good. Alright, y'all. We got the cat hair fiberglass layer on there. It's looking good. It's looking good. And all the way around. Gonna let that dry. Probably overnight. Then get back at it tomorrow. Alright, y'all. Give you a little update. We just sanded down the long cat hair Bondo. Looking good. Looking like all one piece, you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna have to do one more layer before I put the Bondo down. But for the most part, looking like all one piece, you know what I mean? He coming to life. The 7.3 Cuddy, split bumper, G6 panoramic roof, Gucci guts. I'm coming, y'all.